Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Windows 10 on a MacBook using VirtualBox. So first of all, open your Google Chrome browser, then you need to visit the website virtualbox.org. Here's the website virtualbox and then add.org. So you will reach on the home page of this website, which is right here. Then from the left hand side you need to click on the download section, right? Click on the downloads here. Now according to this is OS X, so you need to choose the OS X host and it will start downloading it. Okay, so I am already downloading it. I'm going to the download section here and you can see this one, that is 119 MB. Right now it is downloading and 53 MB has been downloaded. Okay, now we have completed the download. Now you need to click on that DMG file. Now it's opening the DMG file. Okay, now you see here, double click on this icon, run the VirtualBox application from the application folder. Okay, so I just double clicked on it. Now verifying, it's verified 2 times. We need to verify only once. Okay, so once you have installed VirtualBox, then you need to go to your launchpad here, and on this screen you will see VirtualBox icon right here. You need to click on that, so it will open up just like this. Okay, now you need to click on new here, that you see right here beside the plus. Click on new. Now name your operating system Windows 10. You can change the machine folder, that is version 64-bit we are going to install, right? Microsoft Windows. Click on continue right here. Now it's saying to choose the memory size, that is RAM. Now recommended is 2 GB, so that's okay. If you want to increase it, so I have like 10 GB of RAM on my MacBook. So now if you want to increase it on your MacBook according to your RAM size, then you can increase it. However, I'm going to just use the 2 GB RAM here. Click on continue. Now what we need to do is create a virtual hard disk. Now click on create. Now you need to select the first option, that is VirtualBox disk image, right? Click on continue. And now there are two options, storage on physical hard disk, that is dynamically allocated and fixed. Choose the first one. You can read why you are going to choose the first one. Okay, just let it be default. Okay, continue. Now here is another thing, how much space actually do you want for your Windows 10? Okay, right now by default it's 50 GB. So now I'm going to 10 GB. Let's make it around 25 GB, just like this. Click on create here. Okay, now it has created a system right here. Okay, now you can see a few things here. 2048 MB of RAM it is showing, and display and all that thing. Video memory 128 things are there. You can go to settings here right now. Click on settings, then you can simply go here. You can change the RAM from here. You can go to display. Okay, video memory is 128 MB. You can actually increase it. However, it is at the maximum in my one. You can increase this one. Then there is storage, audio, and so many things are here. However, we didn't you can change, or I am not going to change anything. Okay, so after doing all these things, you need to click on start right here, that is the green icon. So it will give a screen something like this one. Now you need to choose your drive where the ISO is, you have downloaded the ISO file of Windows 10. Okay, now there's something like this. Now you need to click on add here, that you see first option. First of all, you need to click on that folder here. You can see this folder, right? Click on that, so it will open up a window just like this. Click on this plus add here. Okay, now open up the downloads folder. Normally the ISO file is in the downloads folder. Okay, you can simply use the search bar Win10 and here is the ISO file. Okay, select and click on open from here. So select this one and click on choose, then click on start from here. Okay, now you can see it is starting from the ISO. Okay, now simply fill all the important information here, click on next, click on install now. Okay, right now it is saying to activate Windows. You can simply select on I don't have a product key here. Now select on Windows 10 Home and there are a lot of other options. So I'm simply going to select Windows 10 Home, click on next. Click on I accept the license terms, click on next. Click on custom install Windows. So there is this space drive 0, 25 of GB is allocated. Click on next. Now you can see that Windows is installing. So it will take a bit of time here. Okay, so once the installation things finishes, then Windows 10 will restart in the VirtualBox, and you may get stuck on few screens, just like the screen with getting ready, wait for a moment screen. Okay, so just have patience. It may take few minutes, it may take few seconds, it may even take few hours for few people. Okay, so once once it goes ahead, then a Cortana volume will be coming, the lady Cortana lady will be coming and giving you all those things, and finally you'll be on this screen from the basics. Okay, so you need to choose your region, click on yes. So this is just a moment screen, it comes before as well. Okay, now you need to choose the right keyboard layout.
Is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Click on yes, US, or choose according to your country. Want to
Can you also type with another keyboard layout?
add a second keyboard layout, click on escape. Okay, on the next screen you need to click on I don't have internet. If you have, then you can actually connect it here. Right now I will click on I don't have internet. Who's going to use this PC? You can give a name.
Type what you want to name your account.
So I'm going to type in my YouTube channel name here, then click on next here.
Okay,
now
type a password for your account.
you need to create a password right here. Click on next. Confirm
and
it.
one more time to make sure we've got it right.
Click on next.
Now you can set up free security questions to help you reset your password if you forget it. Choose the first question and type your answer.
Choose the security questions and click on typing
Now
your
for the second
answers.
one. Same drill. Third one's a charm. Choose your last question, type the answer, and you're good to go.
Click on next.
Settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select Accept when you're ready.
Now on the next screen, you can select these options or you can unselect them. Online speech recognition, I don't need it. Find my device, okay. Location, okay. Diagnostic data, not required. Tailored experience, not required. Inking and typing, leave it. Advertising ID, it's not required. Now click on accept. Okay, now here you will be on this screen which says getting ready everything. This might take several minutes. Now this will keep changing colors and it will take few minutes in order to prepare your desktop. Then it will take you to the login screen most probably, or it will take you directly to the desktop screen. And now you can see that it directly took to the right now, as of now, so it will directly take you to the desktop screen. Okay, let me switch to the full screen mode here, and now you can see the full desktop screen right here, and you can choose the start from here. It will open a list of options. You can go to the folder section here, click on folders, it will open, the explorer will open. Okay, now you can see this PC and all those things that you will be having on Windows 10. So this is how to install Windows 10 on your Mac using VirtualBox software, and there are a few other options here. Now if I switch it again to this view, then you can see ton of options right here. Okay, now if you click on this icon, this is virtual screen 1, you can actually scale this to 125, 150, 175, 200 according to your need. Resize thing is not working as of now in this one. However, if you see a few more videos, then you will get the as how to adjust or how to resize the whole screen. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much.